I want to talk about how credit works when considering buying a home. So let's say you're thinking about buying a home in the next 3, 6 months, maybe a year, but you're concerned about your credit. I understand, I've been there myself. So let's talk about the factors that affect credit and why credit's important. So first of all, 2 reasons why credit's important. First of all, we have to have a high enough score so that we can be approved for a mortgage. Different mortgage products require different credit score minimums. So talk to a real estate professional or a mortgage professional, they can help you understand that. But the other reason the credit score is important is that it could affect the interest rate that you're offered on that loan to buy the home. So a higher the score, the lower the mortgage payment's going to be because that interest rate is going to be a better rate for you. So that's another good reason to work on building up your score. So let's say you have good credit now, but you know in another year or two you want to buy a home, then I would work on getting my score up as high as possible over the next couple years. How are we going to improve our credit score? So there's a couple ways to do it. Make sure you're paying everything on time all the time. No late payments. The second thing is to try to get those balances down. The lower the balance, the better the score is going to be. And then lastly, don't open any new accounts. We want to see no new opened accounts, if you can, for a good 6 months before you apply. Sometimes you can't avoid that, and that's okay. But the longer we can go without opening new accounts, the better, the stronger the score is going to be. Now, if your score is lower than where it needs to be approved, first of all, no, you're not alone. Everybody has credit issues over the lifetime of their over their lifespan. It's going to happen to you. It can happen to everybody. It certainly has happened to me. When I was young and dumb, my credit was terrible. Don't tell anyone. But it happens. And so you just know that there's a way to work on it and to improve on it. Now, let's say you don't have any open lines of credit at all to improve that score. You had things happen in life, your credit score got hit hard, and all the accounts got closed. We're gonna wanna open some kind of secure account so that you can just maybe charge a tank of gas a month and pay that tank of gas off every month. We're not gonna let credit accrue. We're just gonna use it and pay it off every month. That's consistent payment every month is going to help build back that score. And it may take a little bit of time, and that's okay. A couple other tips for credit is to pull your credit. You can pull a free report every year. Pull it and look for errors.